nightmare today has been. So we've got 3 vehicles on the ramps, right? So if any of you are in the motor trade, you're gonna just, well, this is just a normal day, you know. So drive shaft's been out of this one. Cool. In the process, snap brake pipe. You know how it goes. So drive shaft's on the bench. We are trying to change the reluctor ring because there's damage to the ring, which is causing the ABS light to come on. Here's the new ring. Oh look, don't fit, too big. So waiting for a new drive shaft. Monday morning job. So that one's stuck. This one, Hyundai. New gearbox. Because the old one, over here, has a massive hole just there, which is not good. So we're working on getting that back in today, but guess what? The concentric slave cylinder was wrong, so we can't put the clutch and the slave back in because we don't want to reuse the old slave. So we're waiting for a delivery on Monday morning. So ramp number 2 is blocked. Ramp number 3, we have a custom downpipe being fitted with a new clamp, which is amazing. I don't know where the gasket is though, so we'll have to find that. So Audi TT, 2002, it's a 25-year-old car. Look at these flanges. So once they come off, they are never going back together. Literally, they have rotten, like the nuts have even come off. So, yeah, it's not a pretty job to be fair. Subframe's down. Anyway, so that's our Saturday. We've got 3 ramps. Well, we did have 3 ramps, but come Monday, obviously we've got a stacked day. So this can't be moved, that can't be moved, that can't be moved. We've got a Fiesta in here as well for an immobiliser issue, which can be moved, but it's a job for another day. And then we've got my Audi sitting lovely and clean here. Keep that in storage, hopefully. Yeah, my point being, business is good, but business is hard. Business is hard work. So just from me showing you that, I've got 3 ramps, I've got 3 techs, but all of a sudden I got 0 ramps. I still got 3 techs, but they can't get on with the work because we got 1 car stuck on parts that were wrong, which I can't get back together until the parts arrive. The next car is basically wrong parts as well, which should have been done today. And then the other car, obviously the TT, stuck on the ramp, which was basically a backlog job. So that also needs to be done. So we've got like a backlog of 3 different cars, depending on if the parts turn up right or not. We've got a tech working on the floor, and we've got other bookings coming in. And then you get like a member of staff off, for example, and you can just imagine how the day will plan out. So yeah, business is good. We're busy, but it's keeping in with the flow and making sure things are getting moved. So lots of organisation and lots of things to keep in mind. But on the whole, everything's going well. So yeah, that's how we've been. Hope you're all well, and thanks for watching.